Read.
3 plus 3.
Which one is higher number?
Oh,
Both. So what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do here?
2, 3, 6.
Okay. And then from 3 stick, what are you gonna do?
3,
What mark? What mark when you're counting? 3. What's number next after 2?
4,
4.
5, 6.
Okay, that's the answer.
6.
Good job. Next, read.
2 plus 6.
Which one is the higher number?
6.
And then what are you gonna do with 2?
8, 2, 6.
And then count.
Count. 6, 7, 8.
That's the answer.
8.
Good job. Oh, it's okay. We're learning. Okay. Next. Read.
8 plus 2.
And then what's next? That is the higher number.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do with the 2?
2, 2 sticks.
Draw 2 sticks. Write 2 sticks. And then
Count.
Mm.
8, 7, no, 9, 10.
okay, good.
10.
Are you not gonna mark your stick? Okay.
Okay.
Next.
6 plus 4.
You do your own thing. Don't ask mommy.
The higher number 6.
Mm.
Count. Now what do I do with 4?
Mm.
I take 4 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And then
Count. 6, 7, 8, 9, 9.
that's why I told you to mark your stick so that you will not confuse. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. 10.
Don't forget to mark your sticks, okay?
Okay.
Okay, next.
Is my 10 perfect?
Let's see what number is this. What number is this?
1
Oh.
plus 8.
What's the answer?
The higher number is 8. The 1 stick. 1, 8, 7, 9, 9. Wait, what outline?
9.
What outline 9?
No, answer. Straight. Just follow this. Straight and small circle from the top. Pangit. Again. Okay, I will make 9 and then you place it. Okay, next.
7 plus 2.
Mm.
This number is bigger. 7.
Mm.
8, 2, 6. 1, 2.
Mm.
Okay. 7, 9, 10.
What's number after 7? 7.
9. 9.
Okay, again. I want you to mark your sticks. Mark your sticks. 7.
7 plus 2.
Mark your stick. 7.
7.
What's the number after 7? What is the number after 7?
9.
8.
8.
8. 9.
9. Draw outline.
Like this lang. This not 8.
I'm gonna draw outline. So I know.
You already know why are you doing outline.
I want to do outline.
Okay. Next. I want you to mark your stick, huh?
3 plus 6.
Mm.
6 is higher than 3. 6. 1, 2, 3. 6. 7. 8. 9.
Good job. Another 9. Right 9.
Do outline.